going to watch movie again at the Palace Station. There you go. Palace Station. Yes. So I'm going to see Inside Out today. Here again at Cinebar here at Palace Station. Okay. Ready again to go and watch the movie. Every day I'm watching some movies. How about that? I need some break. Hindi naman puro trabaho, no? Diba? Kailangan lakwatsa rin pag may time. Theater 4. Theater 4. Come together. I saw that. Grab a drink, Horizon. Boozy shakes. Twisters. Oh, Twisters. I gotta see that one. The Twister. Come together. I've seen that one. And Twister with Pickard. Come together, Twister. What else? Oh my God, Goodfellas. Oh wow, they're good. Goodfellas. Feel it. Twister. Twister would be good. Come Together and Inside Out. This was yesterday. I've seen it already. James Bond is back. Pulp Fiction. Oh my goodness. The Forge. Deadpool. Alien.
Anderson goes to the box. 2 minutes for tripping. Riley is still exceptional. Ta-da! Oh, yum. And not just because she's the
Time of your life.
Really like the art in the Deadpool comics.
More movies. Pangalawang movie ito today. Ito masarap. Twister. Yan ang panuorin ko.
They are sequestered, and they must be shielded from all news that
The men who are dangerous are the ones who do want it.
certainty. And no doubt, there would be no mystery. And therefore no need for faith.
Yan, katatapos ko lang yung movie Twister. Ako na ata yung pinakalas na tao dito. Wala na. Wala nang tao dito. Ako na lang yung pinakalas. Pero ang sarap dahil ang ganda ng movie. Okay guys, tapos na. Parang ayaw ko pang umuwi. Sarap kasi pag nagliliwaliw lang. Hanggat ako ay may time para sa sarili ko. Hindi na lang puro trabaho, di ba? Kailangan balanse ang buhay. Hindi lang puro trabaho, kundi